Okay, welcome to today's Bitcoin technical analysis, and let's get straight into it. So Bitcoin's been dumping. Yesterday's video was saying how bearish it looked, and we just kept, we had quite another large drop over the last, well, certainly the last 24 hours. So we're going to have a look at where we are, why we've stopped at this point, and what's going to be next. So, I mean, we all know, we're all aware that we had this big impulsive move down. Then we've formed like some sort of corrective pattern that was inside this channel that we were trading from. We had a weekly support level. I'll just drop it down so you could see this weekly. And we were watching this thinking, this has been hit so many times. When it comes back, we're going to drop. It should break, and we are looking for a drop. So we did get the drop. We've just drop. Taken out and this low here, which is quite important, which I believe is that level there. So we just turn off this channel because we're not looking at that anymore. We obviously know that this was big support, so this will now be big resistance, but we have dropped even further. So let's have a look, and I'll just drop this into a 4-hour time frame for a second. And if I just put on, in fact, I'll go to the daily. We've got an order block on the daily, which is formed from these sellers in this red candle right here. Just to highlight it, I will just show you. So this red candle forms as our order block, and what we did when we came down, and for this, and it just dropped down for the 4-hour. We did touch it to the exact dollar just here. We got a nice little bounce, little scalp. I say scalp, 5%. But it did come down a little bit further, and the reason for that was this daily level. This daily level of support that I had marked on my chart over a good month, something like that. And I'll just show you where that comes from. This daily level is from the close and open of this candle over here. That creates our daily level. So we are now, and if we just look at it on the high time frame, we're aware that there's big support here. We didn't quite come down there, and we are looking at big support here again. This is quite a big support, and this is the area one would expect some sort of relief. Now I am certain we also have a weekly level here that it went straight through, which is now forming some resistance. So right now as we speak, our support is here and our resistance is here, and obviously some more resistance here, and then major resistance up there. So it remains to see what Bitcoin wants to do next. Now I always find after such a dump like this, that a bounce off it like that, I don't see a V-shaped recovery. I don't see that. I don't see anything like that. And there is obviously quite a lot of liquidity sitting down here where the big players would like to take out and fill some big positions if we are to push up for a little bit of a relief rally. But what I want to show you is the level I'm expecting next. Not that one. Where's the fibs? And that is, if I just show you on the weekly for a second, we've got the Fibonacci 618 sitting right here at about 28,000. It has been used as support here. This is a level that you would always be looking for on any time frame when using Fibonacci, the retracement tool, is the 618, and it's sat right here, right where it's been tested before, and that's why I think that there may just be another little drop to the downside to around the 28,000 mark. Maybe a little bit lower, maybe a wick into it, but I will be looking out for a little bit of a lower test. Alongside that, I do have an expansion, Fibonacci expansion of the 1.272. So we've got confirmation now. It's previously been tested as support, and we have 2 Fibonacci's lining up. So this is the zone I will be looking for a long. I wouldn't be anybody that's long there is probably going to have the stop loss right below it, right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that out. And if we do bounce up from that, reclaim the daily, we might see a bit of a relief rally. That's pretty much where we're at today. We're at a high time frame. We're on a weekly chart and a major support level about to become, well, we have hit support, but there's an even stronger support slightly below it, another $3,000 drop. Just be aware of it. There's no guarantees that it will hold, but it's the stronger level than where we have actually bounced from. So when we come and test this, I don't know, but I expect a little bit of a further downside. Hope that's all helped you out. Thanks for watching. 1 second before you go, if I could just kindly ask, when I just sort out all my drawing tools at the side, go to the weekly, reset the chart, and boom. Please like and subscribe. Cheers. Thank you.